In December, many key words come to mind: winter weather, joy, festivity, family, friends, giving, and of course, Christmas and other religious celebrations. Yet, during these meaningful moments of planning and preparation, many are also finishing up the work year. In warehousing and manufacturing, this often includes planning, analyzing, budgeting, reporting, scheduling, and forecasting. That means while many of us finalize personal plans and look for quiet or celebratory moments, others are focused on year-end maintenance during December's closing days. It's important to set the stage for the coming year. At Mighty Line, the year-end has been especially busy. Many customers are preparing for those precious shutdown periods when manufacturing and warehousing operations have the opportunity to complete year-end housekeeping. For others, it's essential to wrap up 5S and 6S safety and operational tasks expected by management. To achieve year-end goals to sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain, it's a great time to install Mighty Line's best-in-class industrial floor tape, safety signs, shapes, symbols, and clear label protectors. Mighty Line's patented 50 mil beveled edge floor striping and unique 3-year limited warranty, offered in a broad range of OSHA, ANSI, and ISO compliant colors, is second to none. Mighty Line provides the best alternative to paint, avoiding prep and drying times during short maintenance windows. December is a great time to ensure clearly identifiable pathways for forklifts, pedestrians, and exits, including markings for stock and special hazards such as electrical panels, door swings, and fire protection or first aid equipment. The statement, "We care about your safety," becomes clearly evident, heightening employee morale and retention. So head over to MightyLineTape.com for your holiday maintenance needs in warehouse and industrial floor striping and safety signage. And if you need custom floor signs or floor tape messaging for company standards or ANSI ISO compliance, reach us directly at 1-440-895-9980 or info@MightyLineTape.com. In the meantime, stay safe, stay aware, and take time this holiday season to keep others in mind and in the very best of holiday spirits. Take care.